The concept of base in percentage is very important part for solving problem related percentage. In this case, you have written understanding of base. That means on which we need to make the calculation of percentage. And some of the time that calculation of percentage what we are doing, we need to make a change of it. So changing that base, these are the two things that we need to understand in case of percentage related problem. For that I will take one example. Let's say example is a equal to 40 and b equal to 50. Now there may be different kinds of question. Question 1, which says that A is how much percentage less than B. Now you can see that A is 10 less, but question is how much percentage less than B, and then B, so B need to be here the base. So solving that, I know that it is absolute data difference in absolute value is actually 10, but percentage will be equal to that 10 divided by value of B, which is 50 into 100. So it is nothing but 1/5. So it is 20%. So the answer for the problem, it is coming as 20%. Now, same thing, I am moving to the next question here. I am considering that question 2, where it has said that B B is same how much percentage more than A. Now here question in that case it is than A, so base will be A. But if you say the difference like earlier, difference in absolute term, that would be same. Difference in absolute term, that is again 10. B is how much more than A? If it is just said how much more than A, it would be 10. But once it is said that how much percentage more than A, so that would be nothing but same 10 divided by value of A. A is 40 here. So 10 by 40 into 100. And that 1/4 is nothing but 25%. So please look into the question in two different angle. One angle, whenever I am talking about that A is how much percentage less than B, another B is how much percentage more than A. If it is said A is how much less than B, or B is how much more than A, in both the cases it should be 10 absolute data. But whenever it is said that than B, so B need to be in denominator, and that is the way we need to find it out percentage in good number of time. Now same questions we are doing in some other way also. Let's say same data, wherever we are changing the question. Now it has said that